All right, hey there, Wade Sellers again. This is the next video for applying functions to a Swift UI app. Now, again, I'm using Swift Playgrounds on my Mac. I have a Swift app, the Swift UI app open here, and I've added some boilerplate code. If you want to catch up and follow along with the video, just hit pause and make sure that your content view has all the code that I've laid out right here. Well, I'm going to walk through it real quick. So I have a state variable called entered name. And we're going to use that. So anytime this variable is changed, it's going to go ahead and redraw anything that's using this variable. I have a text field called enter a name. You'll see it here in the app preview. And then on submit, as in when you hit enter, codes ran. And right now a print statement's there that says here. So if I just go inside enter a name and just hit return, notice at the bottom of the screen here, the console will pop up and say here, right there. That is this print statement. That's how we know that when we hit enter in the text field, something will happen. Now, we're going to add a function here that takes in a parameter based on whatever we put in this text field. It's going to go ahead and change the entered name, and then we're going to tell it inside here to update something, okay? So let's do the function real quick. Let me make myself small. We're going to do a function here. We're outside of the body, but we're still inside the content view. And we're going to do func say hello. And for its parameters, we're going to do name, colon, and it's going to be a string. Open up the curly braces. And now inside here, now that we have this parameter here, we can do something. We're going to go ahead and update entered name to be entered name equals, and we're going to do hello, hello, and we're going to drop in the name that is entered as a parameter for the function, okay? Entered name is now going to update to hello, whatever the name is that we put in here. And now underneath this print statement here, we're gonna call the function. We're gonna do say hello, and you see that it's looking for a name string, and the string we're gonna use is our entered name right here. So I'm gonna type in entered name. Okay, and that's all it is. So we're gonna place a name in here, hit enter. On submit's going to be called. It's going to print here, so you'll see a little console log pop up, and then say hello function is going to be ran, and whatever we put into the text field is going to be the parameter for the say hello function. It's going to update the entered name state variable, and since we've updated this value, anything that's using this state variable is going to be redrawn, which is the text field, because entered name happens right there. So let's try it out. Let's type in Wade. I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see that it changes to hello Wade right there, and the little console log appears down there that still says here. That's how you know the difference is happening. We could try something else. Let's do Josh. We'll hit enter. Hello Josh. So this is how you use a function that takes a parameter and does something with it, and then we'll change the output right here. So play around with this, try it out, experiment with it, and then in the next one we'll start talking about return values. I'll see you in the next video.